Sunshine Gang. How y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is August Nicole. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And y'all, today is part 2 of my Shop Miss A haul. And today I am going to be showing y'all an affordable $1 makeup look with the products that I got. Majority of these products came from Shop Miss A and Dollar Tree. So y'all, without further ado, let's get into this $1 makeup look. I am just going in with my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown, and I am just filling in my eyebrows. I'm going to be cleaning up my eyebrows using this F16 AOA Studio concealer brush, along with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, HD Concealer. Everybody knows about this concealer. It's been around a long time. It's super affordable. I think it's worth like $2 or $3. If I'm not mistaken, because I didn't grab any concealer from Shop Miss A, so I'm just going to use this one instead. Y'all, this beauty blender right here is the She's Not E. I will also link this beauty blender in the description box. This is from AOA Studio as well. It is so soft, it is so bouncy, it's so velvety. Ooh, and it feels so gentle on the skin. I'm loving this beauty blender right here. I'm not gonna do a cut crease or anything like that, but I am going to go in with this LA Colors eyeshadow palette, and it is in the shade Sunflower. It's the Sunflower LA Colors eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna do a real simple eye look. I'm just gonna pat this shade right here all over my eyelids. Just something real simple, and just blend everything in. Let me just say, I think this is a really huge step up with this $1 foundation. Y'all, they are in a glass bottle, and I got 2 shades. This is in the shade Amber in the number 310, and this isn't in the shade, let me see, it doesn't say. Okay, y'all, I don't know what shade this is in, but I'll figure it out. And I will leave it in the description box as well. But I am blending these 2 shades in. And I'm going to go in with my Kabuki brush. It is the F1 High Def brush. And just put this all over my face. Yeah, this is a really good shade match, if I do say so myself. What I like about this foundation, it is matching really well with my skin tone with the shades that I combined together. What I don't like about this foundation, it has a really strong fragrance, so I don't know if that'll be really good for my skin, because I have sensitive skin, y'all, and I do break out from certain things, especially with things that have like a really strong fragrance in it. So if your skin is like that as well, that's probably something that y'all need to look out for if you purchase this foundation. But y'all, look at that. Look at that coverage. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all, this is blending in with this AOA Studio setting powder in the shade Warm. Shake it up a little bit. And I'm using this beauty blender right here, which I also got from shopmissa. And I'm just gonna I'm just gonna let this sit under my eye. If you are a woman of color like me, and you're looking for like a good setting powder that will blend in with your skin tone, this is a really good setting powder, and it blends in really, really well. I'm gonna use this contour with it is the AOA Studio Liquid Concealer in the shade Nutmeg. And I'm using my F16 brush again. I already know I'm not gonna be able to keep this makeup on all day because it already has my skin itching. But I think this is gonna turn out really, really cute. So if y'all have sensitive skin, don't buy this. But if it doesn't bother your skin, go ahead and try it out. I'm also gonna contour the top of my forehead. And I'm gonna blend everything in and I will be back. Okay, next I am going to be using this LA Colors bronzer in the shade Bronze Beauty, along with my AOA Studio F14 brush. And I'm just gonna give my nose a little bit of highlight. Oh my god, that is like blinking everywhere. Oh my god, my nose is so shiny. I'm not trying to be like Rudolph. Okay, there we go. Cause my nose is already big. And I really want to try out this F11 fan brush. Y'all look how big this brush is. I'm gonna use this This brush is big, y'all. So lazy doing it. Okay. I see some bling bling over here. I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, now I'm gonna be going in with this AOA Studio Wonder Lipliner in the shade Fab. Okay, y'all, and last but not least, we're gonna set this face. We're gonna be using this AOA Studio 3D False Mint Lashes and in the style London. And I'm gonna put these on and I'll be back with the finished look. Let's talk about this budget friendly makeup look right here. I really do feel this AOA Studio Satin Buildable Foundation, it blended in. These two shades right here blended really good with my skin tone, and it gave me the coverage that I needed, because like I'm more of a medium. I don't really need full coverage, but I definitely feel like it gave me full coverage. What I don't like is that when I was applying it to my skin, it did feel itchy, but after, you know, I blended it in and it sat on my skin for a little while, it wasn't so itchy anymore. And so if you have sensitive skin, you need to watch out for that. And I also like this AOA Studio setting powder. I like that it really set really good under my eyes. I do like that. And I also like this concealer. I feel like it did what it's supposed to do with the contouring and everything. And I also used this AOA Studio strip lash adhesive, this eyelash glue, and I got it in the color black. And this eyelash glue worked really good, as y'all can see. And I really like the style of the lashes. By the way, they are in the style London, 1654 London. So if y'all ever thinking about copping these, go on and get you a pair. And I also like the brushes. I really like the brushes that I use. These are only three, well, the only 4 brushes that I use today from shopmissa. And I really like this concealer brush. And y'all, this highlighter brush, like if you want to look like a golden statue, use this highlighter brush right here. And I really like this Kabuki brush. It blended in the foundation really well. And I also like this brush right here. This is more like of a contouring brush, but I really like it. And my most favorite of all was definitely these beauty blenders right here, or sponges, or you know, beauty blender, whatever you want to call it. These are some really good blenders, y'all. Some really good beauty sponges, because this one is it's like microfiber, and it's soft and it's velvety, and it blends in the makeup really well. This one too, and plus I like the precision of the tip right here. I really like that. I really like the lip liner. I was really just going for like a really nice pink springtime shade right here, and I really like it. And y'all, that's really about it what I got from Shop Miss A. With the LA Colors eyeshadow palette, I really think this would be a good look if you are going for like a more natural makeup look like I just did. This shade right here will definitely do that for your eyeshadow look. And I really like this bronzer. I have had this bronzer before, and it's really giving me like the bling bling effect over here. I really like it. And y'all, that's really about it. This pretty much sums it up for this video. Let me know what y'all think about this look in the comment section below. Let me know if you have ever tried any of these products from Shop Miss A, or if you bought any makeup products from Dollar Tree. Let me know in the comment section below. And y'all, this just proves that you can create a makeup look on a budget, and your face is gonna come out looking really pretty. You know, all you gotta just blend and know what you're doing. And that's it. That's it for this video, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about in the comment section below. Leave a yellow emoji if you stuck around for the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.